Hi, welcome to Journaling with Imagine the Art Design. It's great to have you here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thanks so much for tuning in again. Today's journaling prompt is all about gratitude and mindfulness, two key practices for a balanced and peaceful mind. Journaling is such a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth, and this prompt really helps to center us in the present moment. So let's get started. Today's prompt is, what are you most grateful for today, and why? It sounds simple, but this prompt can be incredibly impactful when done with intention. Gratitude journaling is perfect for developing mindfulness because it encourages us to stop and notice the positive things in our lives, those big or small moments that make life beautiful, even when things feel chaotic. Taking time each day to reflect on gratitude helps us focus on the good, and when paired with mindfulness, it brings us right into the present moment. Whether you're new to journaling or have been journaling for years, this is a wonderful prompt that can help you tap into a deeper sense of peace, contentment, and joy. Let's take a moment to explore why this gratitude prompt is so powerful. You've probably heard people talk about how gratitude can change your perspective or boost your mood, and it's true. But when you combine gratitude with mindfulness, it becomes even more transformative. Mindfulness is all about being fully present in the moment, without judgment. And gratitude helps us focus on the things in our lives that bring us joy, comfort, or support. When we pause to reflect on what we're grateful for right now, whether it's a moment of kindness, the warmth of a sunny day, or even something as simple as your favorite cup of tea, we're training our minds to shift from focusing on what's wrong to focusing on what's right. Research has shown that practicing gratitude regularly can reduce stress, increase feelings of happiness, and even improve our mental health over time. By making gratitude part of your daily journaling practice, you can cultivate a greater sense of mindfulness and live more fully in the present moment. Think of it this way. Every time you write down something you're grateful for, you're giving yourself a little gift of positivity. And the best part? It doesn't have to be anything huge. Sometimes the smallest things, like a deep breath or a quiet moment, can have the biggest impact. Now, let's go over some tips for how you can approach today's journaling prompt. One of the easiest ways to start is by simply making a list of things you're grateful for today. It doesn't have to be anything big or profound. Sometimes the little things, like a smile from a stranger or a moment of quiet in the chaos of your day, are just as meaningful. Once you've made your list, take a few minutes to expand on each one. Ask yourself, why does this matter to me today? How did it make me feel? This reflection helps you deepen your sense of gratitude and brings more mindfulness to the practice. For example, if you're grateful for your morning cup of coffee, think about why. Is it because it gives you a moment of calm before the day begins? Does it help you feel energized and ready to tackle your tasks? Reflecting on the why makes the gratitude practice more intentional. If you're feeling stuck or unsure where to start, try free writing for 5 minutes. Don't worry about grammar or structure. Just let your thoughts flow. You might be surprised by how much insight you gain when you let go of any pressure to write perfectly. Another technique you can try is asking yourself specific questions, like, what moment today brought me the most joy? Or what lesson did I learn from something challenging today? These questions can help you uncover things you might not immediately think to be grateful for, but that still had a positive impact on your day. And for those of you who enjoy visual journaling, why not take this opportunity to get creative with your gratitude entries? You can incorporate colors, doodles, or even collages to express your feelings in a more artistic way. If you're looking for some inspiration, I've linked a few of my downloadable kits from my Etsy store in the description below. One set that I think would be perfect for this kind of reflective journaling is the Spiritual Journey Kit, which has calming, flowing designs that really encourage mindfulness. But honestly, it's all about what resonates with you. Your journaling practice is personal, so feel free to pick whatever suits your style and makes you feel most connected to the process. As you wrap up your journaling session today, take a moment to sit with the feeling of gratitude. How did reflecting on what you're grateful for shift your mindset or mood? Did you feel more present, more at peace? Remember, the goal of mindfulness is to be fully aware of the moment you're in, without judgment. And gratitude is such a powerful way to anchor ourselves in that mindset. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this gratitude prompt has brought a little more peace and mindfulness into your day. Remember, journaling is a journey, and each entry is a step toward greater self-awareness and growth. If you enjoyed today's prompt, be sure to subscribe for more inspiration, and don't forget to like this video if it resonated with you. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep writing, stay mindful, and have a beautiful day.